quick video of the Mud Skipper 2 to 7 horse easy longtail kit. I got the 2-piece. Slapped on a Predator 212 6.5 horse. Freaking in the kit, everything will come kind of separated with your handle, your output shaft, like cover freaking thing, and then your 2 sections for your longtail. You'll get 2 props. Bushing's already installed down there at the end. It's very, very simple, honestly, puppers. But the only thing I had to kind of look up a little bit is how to attach the throttle properly, and then your kill switch. Mud Skipper has a video out for how to properly install your kill switch. Very simple. Just mount it, run it up. I just threw a little zip tie on there, and then they plug into your wires coming off the side of the crankcase. But that's really it. He's beautiful though.